everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show you a system information tool to see more in-depth specs of your computer. This is just like crystal disk info, this is just like CPU-Z, but it's called Speccy. S-P-E-C-C-Y. As you can see, I have it installed already. So, let's run it. So what it's doing now is it's analyzing the hardware of the computer itself. So, I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but as you can see, I have an AMD Phenom 2 X4955 DNEB 45NM technology. So all you really want to know is what processor you're running. This is for other purposes. And what's nice about this is it's telling me the temperature of the CPU. So I have 4 gigs, dual channel, DDR2, which stands for dual data rate, 401 megahertz, 5 to 512. My motherboard is an MSI, as I stated before. I already knew that. It's giving me the serial number and how many CPUs the board has. Graphics, I'm just running a generic graphics card. Storage. It's telling me that this is a Kingston, the SSD, SCSI disk device. SCSI stands for Small Computer Systems Interface. This device SATA to SSD, so it's recognizing that it's an SSD. So the optical drive, which is a DVD drive, or if your computer's older, a CD drive, it's telling me the make of what it is. So it's telling me it's JLMS DVD-ROM. This is a DVD-ROM, not a DVD burner, so that is correct. High definition audio device. So, and up here it's telling me Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. So if we go to operating system, it gives me a description of the operating system. And it's giving me the serial number, which is strictly for this. Security Center, it tells you what's enabled, what's not enabled. So we'll go to CPU. And what's nice about this is it gives you all the information. So it tells you the core speed, the multiplier, the bus speed, the rated bus speed, temperature, and threads. Motherboard. It tells you the manufacturer, it tells you the model, version, chip vendor, which is AMD. AMD stands for Advanced Micro Technologies. Chipset, the vendor, and all that. Tells you the voltages. Graphics. The monitor is just a regular standard monitor. Tells you the pixels, the state, enable primary, monitor width 1024, monitor height is 768. So if you ever see this 124, which is like the left to the right, 768 is from the bottom to the top. It's telling me all the stuff for the video, so let's go to storage. It's giving me the manufacturer, product form factor, 2.5 inch, which basically this is made for a laptop, but you could use it, and they make adapters, which I do not have, but I'll have to get one. All the capacity. It tells me the power on count. So I powered this thing on, the hard drive has powered on 28 times since I installed it. It's telling me the status, it says good, which means it's not too hot. If it reaches 50 degrees Celsius, then I got a problem. Gives you read air rate, power on hours, This is all right here. Gives you all this. Let's go to optical drive and see what that says. It says media type, DVD reader. That's the name, JLMS. ATA device, it's actually an IDE drive, PATA, but they say ATA because you have SATA, you have PATA, and all that. Capability, reading command, CDR, CDRW, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, DVD-RAM, DVD-ROM, DVD-R, DVD-R, DL, DVD-RWDL. DL stands for dual layer. 2.3 gigabits and all that. So let's go to peripherals. So the keyboard is Primex Electronics. The mouse is just mouse. Device name, a HID compliant mouse. Portable device, SD MMC. It's reading my SD card reader. Portable device, compact flash. Portable flash. It's reading that my thumb drive is in the computer. Fax, the printer, which is reading the default stuff. Audio, high definition audio device. Playback speakers, definition audio device, digital audio, high definition audio device. We'll go to network. This is telling me the IP address. Your IP address stands for Internet Protocol. So subnet mask, which is a class A. DNS stands for Domain Name Service, which is port 53. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Dynamic means it's automatically changed. If it's static, that means you assign it and it stays. And it's telling me the link speed, computer name, WIN Inet info, Wi-Fi info. Wi-Fi is not enabled. I do not have the card enabled. Proxy, no proxy. A proxy server is like a VPN. Big corporations use them in a case somebody tries to get into their network. So when the bad guys get the IP address, they're getting a fake IP address. Network shares. You can go to summary. That's all the stuff there. You can go to sections here and do all that. This will work on 32-bit operating systems, also 64-bit. This is compatible with Windows 10, 3264, Windows 7, 3264, Vista 32 and 64, XP. This will work with XP. So I'll exit out of here. So that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Click that bell for more notifications.